If your app won't open and points to the Windows-based library DLL, the fix is closer than you think. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and let's get you back to work. Before we start the Windows-based library manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Windows-based library, a core Windows Presentation Foundation (WPF) assembly. It manages the foundational localized logic for the WPF property system, including dependency properties, routed events, and the localized dispatcher for thread management. It also provides localized support for I/O-related tasks like package management and zip file handling within the .NET framework. Failure of this assembly results in a total crash of the Common Language Runtime, CLR, for any managed CGAS desktop application. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. To correct this issue, reinstall WPF. Go to Microsoft's official site, download the Visual C++ redistributables for both x86 and x64, and install them. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Windows-based library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Safety first. Never attempt to replace Windows-based library DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for Windows-based library. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Windows-based library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.